Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. My name is Arya Goldstein, and today I'll be showing you how to set up and use Apple Pay. So quickly, for those of you who don't know, Apple Pay is a way to wirelessly pay for different things. So basically how that works is you can sort of save your credit or debit card inside of your iPhone, which eliminates the need to carry around the physical thing. And so it makes paying and buying things super convenient because you can just pay for your phone, pay with your phone rather. And which obviously makes buying different things super convenient and easy. Okay, so the way we're going to want to set this Apple Pay up is we're going to go to the wallet app on the phone, which is going to be the white wallet with the multicolored cards. And it'll say wallet right under the icon. So we're going to tap on that. And so for me, you'll see that I already have an American Express card saved in mine. That's because I already use Apple Pay, but you guys will just see a blank screen. And so to add your credit card into your phone, what you're going to want to do is press the little white plus sign at the top right of your screen. So we're going to press that. And so once we press that, it'll take us here. And so as you can see, we have a few options. There you can put in your MTA card, your driver's license, your state ID. But today we're going to focus on debit or credit cards. So we're going to tap on debit or credit card. And so here it'll quickly just give us a quick briefing about what Apple Pay is. Not really important to us. We're just going to press continue. And so once we get here on your screen, you'll see a little camera. We're not going to really be dealing with that. We're just going to put in our card details manually. So we're going to press enter card details manually at the bottom of the screen. And so then it's going to ask for your card details. So for your name, you're just going to put in the name that you keep on your card. So once you type that in, you'll go down to card number. You'll tap right next to card number, and it'll bring up a menu of numbers. And so for me, I'm just going to put in some random numbers because I already put in my Apple Pay. But for you guys will put in your credit card numbers. And so once you finish with that, you're going to press next at the top right. And then you're going to put in the expiration date of your credit card. I'm just going to put in a random date here and a random security code. But the security code is the thing on the back of your card and the expiration date as well. So you're just going to put in whatever it says on your credit card. And so once you're done with that, you're going to press next. And so for me, I just put in the credit card that I already have in my wallet. But for you guys, it'll give you a little confirmation code or a little confirmation message, and you'll press OK. And so once you're done with that, you can go and you'll see it'll just be sitting in your wallet like you see on mine. And so once that's done, the way you actually go pay for things is when you're in the store, you'll ask the cashier for the Apple Pay machine. She'll give it to you, and on your screen or on your phone, you'll press the on off button. So that's the side button. You'll double click that. You'll press it twice, and that'll bring this up. And so all you have to do from here is hold it next to the little machine the cashier gives you, and then boom, you're done paying. So that obviously makes paying super convenient and easy. And so I really hope that was helpful. So that was this week's Tech Tip Tuesday on how to set up and use Apple Pay. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you're interested in enrolling in a full class with us, please visit midlerseniortech.com. Thank you so much for watching.